Have you ever noticed how a messy room seems to make a stressful day feel even heavier? The laundry on the chair, the dishes in the sink, and the clutter covering the table can start to feel like a silent list of unfinished tasks. But when you clean even one small area, something often shifts. The room feels lighter, and somehow, you do too. Cleaning your home is not a cure for stress, anxiety, or depression, but it can be a simple way to support your well-being. One reason is that your surroundings constantly send information to your brain. When every surface is crowded, your attention has more objects to process and more distractions to filter out. That visual noise can make it harder to focus, relax, or decide what to do next. Clearing a counter or putting away a pile of clothes reduces some of that noise. You create a space that asks less from your attention. Cleaning can also restore a sense of control. Many parts of life are unpredictable, and some problems cannot be solved in an afternoon. But you can wash a plate, you can make the bed, you can take out the trash or clear one corner of a room. These actions are small, visible, and complete. You begin with something messy, take a few manageable steps, and see a clear result. That little success can create momentum, especially on a day when everything else feels overwhelming. There is also something grounding about the physical act of cleaning. Sweeping, wiping, folding, and organizing bring your attention back to what is directly in front of you. You notice the warm water, the scent of soap, the rhythm of your movements, and the gradual change in the room. In that way, cleaning can become a practical form of mindfulness. Your mind may still wander, but your hands have a simple task to return to. Movement matters too. Cleaning gets you standing, stretching, walking, lifting, and bending. It may not replace intentional exercise, but it can break up long periods of sitting and help you feel more awake. Put on a favorite playlist, and the work can become surprisingly energizing. Then there is the comfort of the finished space. Fresh sheets can make bedtime more inviting. A clear kitchen can make cooking feel easier. An organized desk can reduce the friction of starting work. A tidy living room can become a place where you genuinely want to rest. The goal, however, is not perfection. Trying to keep every room spotless can create more pressure instead of less. Your home is a place where life happens, so some mess is normal. The real goal is to make the space work better for you. If cleaning feels overwhelming, start much smaller than you think you should. Choose one surface, one drawer, or one category of items. Set a timer for 5 or 10 minutes and give yourself permission to stop when it rings. You might collect the cups, throw away obvious trash, or put all the clothes into one basket. Do not begin by creating a complicated organizing system. Begin by making the next few minutes easier. It can also help to focus on the areas that affect you most. If a messy kitchen makes mornings stressful, clean the sink before bed. If clutter by the door causes frantic searches, create one place for keys, bags, and shoes. If your bedroom does not feel restful, clear the area around the bed and change the sheets. A small change in the right place can improve an entire routine. And remember that you do not have to do everything alone. If you share your home, ask others to take responsibility for specific tasks. If your energy is limited, adapt the job, take breaks, or clean while seated when possible. If keeping up with basic tasks feels impossible for a long time, that may be a sign that you deserve additional support, not judgment. Most importantly, try not to treat cleaning as punishment for being messy. Think of it as care for your future self. You are preparing a calmer place to wake up, a clearer table to use, or a softer bed to return to. Every item you put away is a small act of kindness toward the person you will be later. So if your home feels heavy today, do not wait for enough motivation to transform the entire space. Pick one thing that would make life a little easier. Wash one dish, open a window, clear one chair, or make the bed. Then pause and notice what changed. The room may not be perfect, and your problems may not have disappeared, but you created a little more space, a little more order, and perhaps a little more room to breathe.